Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by opening Google Photos and signing into the exact account you want to store images in. Once signed in, turn on Backup and Sync so your device photos appear in the cloud. This ensures everything you add later is available. Next, choose whether you need an album for sharing or a device folder for local organization, because that choice changes how you add photos. So make that decision now and proceed to create the container. You create the folder by choosing Create Right Arrow Album. Give it a clear descriptive name so you can find it fast. Then select the photos you want to include now. If you prefer, you can add them later. Google Photos keeps everything searchable. Once created, organize content by dragging photos into the album on desktop or using Add to Album on mobile. Because albums are cloud-based, any change syncs across your devices, which makes management consistent and quick. You finish by verifying the album's synced. Open Google Photos on another device or the web and confirm the images appear. If you need a true device folder, download copies to your phone and move them into a local folder. Otherwise, use Move to Album to reorganize. If photos don't show up, check your Google storage quota and the network connection first. Insufficient storage or a flaky Wi-Fi often blocks uploads, and once you fix that, the sync will resume.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.